welcome to the new series Eating Out with Piyush. We are in Tulsi Cafe, Upper Tapon, Rishikesh. I'm with the very beautiful Nishka. Welcome to the series that's Eating Out with Piyush. I heard a lot of things about this cafe and I'm happy to be here. Let's get started and eat like some tasty food.
What are you ordering? Let me get inspired by you.
I order something very random and very customized. A lot.
Sweet or savory?
Anything and everything. Like you can order a few things extra and we can eat together. We can
That
share
would
it.
be cool. Yeah, I love that idea. You didn't know that. I am crazy about cats.
So what are you ordering?
And I might go for tofu scramble, chapati, and acai bowl.
How many days food is it? आप असाई बॉल कैसे बनाते हो?
असाई बॉल तो ये एक्चुअली क्या बेरी होती है, उसको मंगाते हैं हम, उसी से बनता है। और जो फ्रोज़न करके रखे जाते हैं, केल बनाना वगैरह ये सब चीज़ें। फिर ड्राई फ्रूट की हो गया, आपकी ड्रेसिंग हो गया, टॉपिंग हो गया, होममेड न्यूटेला।
कौन सी बेरीज है ये?
असाई, उसका नाम ही अकाई बेरी है उसका।
Actually, acai comes from Brazil area, South America. It's a small berry. It's very healthy. Do chapati, no butter, scrambled tofu with tomato.
We are ordering one acai bowl. Let's have mashed potatoes with mushroom sauce. Yeah, I think then mashed potato, tofu and mashed potato, and I wanted something else, but I can't find anything. What is the coconut shake?
कोकोनट मिल्क है, ग्रेटेड कोकोनट,
Do you get like nuts on it?
अप टू यू इफ यू वांट।
I would love to. Let me show you how Miss Nishka is holding this thing. Yeah, look at her.
स्क्रैम्बल टोफू, 2 चपाती, 1 असाई बॉल, एंड मैश पोटैटो, मशरूम
mushroom
सॉस,
sauce, yeah.
एंड कोकोनट शेक विद कोकोनट एंड ड्राई फ्रूट टॉपिंग्स।
आप पकोड़े बनाते
बना रहे हैं।
I am very desi.
इफ यू वांट सो आई विल डू इट।
Yeah. Would you want to have pakoda?
Okay.
Sounds good. Thank you.
सी
See
See you
you. We have ordered a lot of food and I don't know how much we will be able to eat. It is like I have been eating like very small quantity from the last 1 month. I just been eating like one bowl of dal. In case you follow me on Instagram, you'll see over there. I've been like very gluttonous today ordering food.
I think it's not that much, and I eat a lot. That is the benefits of having a good digestion with yoga.
You do a lot of yoga and then eat a lot of food. At Tulsi Cafe, I've been here like from the last 4 months. I've heard so many things about Tulsi Cafe. Today we are here finally. No people around. So that's the good part.
Little paws. Oh my god.
Smoothies here and it has a lot of nuts on it and grated coconut. It has coconut milk as well. The other food is yet to come. The best part is the food is taking time, as in we are sitting here and we can smell the aroma and it's so strong. So they are like cooking everything fresh. Till then, let's dig into it. Wow. This is really good. I can feel the texture of coconut. It's not like very heavy as like a milkshake because I think it's like vegan and it's not made from milk, as in it's like coconut milk. So it feels really light, really tasty, definitely healthy as well.
Oh my god. The color of this is like pure coconut. Okay. Straight away coconut into the brain. I love it because it's not sweet. Like usually in India you get super sweet everything. But this is really raw, really like natural, and oh my god, I'm loving it. It's just like having some coconut with little sweetness. It's really good. And the texture, it's like meaty
Oh, meat.
in a vegan way. The meat of the coconut actually, you can feel it. It's really good. I love it. I will finish it off. Approved. Vegan approved.
Is it like Nishka approved?
Nishka approved, yes.
So the whole world can eat it now.
Please come and have it. It's really good.
Oh, what is this?
Acai bowl.
Oh, okay. What is this?
Oh my god. Wow.
Wow.
Let me just break before.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
fine. Indian way with roti. Oh my god.
Somebody doesn't really want to talk. And she's like, she's forgotten. Like, I just want to eat.
Very, very oniony. and the tomato flavor is really good. Kind of sweet, tangy, like how Indians like. Many things in the Indian cuisine are similar to Mexican cuisine. We have something exactly like this made out of eggs, though. Exactly the same with eggs.
Yeah, we have anda burji over here. Like that, yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. It's the same, but we add hari mirch. That's it. And we eat with tortilla, which is made out of corn flour, and this is full of protein actually. I love it with the roti. People eat it with bread, but I'm Indian by soul, so I have to have my chapati.
So, really hungry. I like paneer burji. Earlier days in my childhood, I used to eat like anda burji. That was my favorite. But now paneer burji, and we go to tofu burji, scrambled tofu. Yeah, scrambled tofu. That's like how you call it. Wow. For you, it's oniony. For me, it's very tomatoey. The flavor of the tomato is so good. I feel like I'm eating like the pizza layer. What do you call it? Pizza without the bread. You know. The quantity is really good. If I'm just eating this as a lunch, which I am, the quantity is really good. Pakode! Thank you. That's like a lot of food.
I didn't realize that this a lot of
Yeah, it is a lot. So we have pakoda, we have acai bowl, we have
tofu.
discount anda burji, that is tofu burji.
I hope it's not that spicy. Are you serious? Wow. This, I don't know what it is.
Dal ka aata,
Batter.
that's lentil, yeah.
Oh my god, it's super tasty. I love it. Oh, the chutney. Chutney is kind of Mexican. I love it.
So I'm eating my favorite thing, that's pakoda. The chutney looks good. Wow. It is spicy, yes, it's spicy, but signals the brain that it's very refreshing. The quantity here is really good, you know. We wish we had like an additional help. We have mashed potato, and that's a lot of potato.
I'm scared. Wow. Yeah, I think we will end up
Becoming fat.
having takeaway.
Yeah.
But for
Let's
sure.
not take away, just finish it.
The smell, very Italian. It reminds me of Italian pasta. The mushroom sauce is so herby in a very Western style, not Indian style. Very, very tasty. The amount of potato dough, like I don't even know how we're going to eat it, but it's really, really good.
That's a lot of potato.
Yeah.
A lot of potato. I'm gonna become one potato now. What are your hopes are there inside? It feels so good going in. It's so warm. I can eat this all day. So I think what we should do now is we should stop filming and eat it because the food is getting cold and we really want to eat it. It's really good. The mashed potato is still remaining and look at her face. She's done. Oh my god. And we have still acai bowl left. Acai bowl is supposed to be like very heavy. We had a lot of excitement when we started off, but I think in that excitement we ordered a little extra food because we didn't know that the quantity will be so good over here. Overeating is not my thing. My appetite has gone down. So we'll have to finish it off. It's a little unhealthy to do that, but we have no option. She practices a lot of yoga and I'm not into overeating now, but I guess we'll have to finish it off and acai bowl is remaining. So now it's going to be really challenging.
I left a little space so that I could have acai bowl. I'm excited to try it. God bless me. I don't know what this is. It looks like almond butter, maybe. Oh my god. This is like peanut butter with chocolate or something like that.
Ooh.
This is chia seed. We have banana, raisins, dates, roasted almonds, which are super flavorful. So let's dig in. See, I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything. Wow.
Are you not full?
Oh, no.
You're not full
Not
now?
anymore. Wow. It's super refreshing.
She's like one hungry woman. Next time you see her anywhere, please feed her something.
Be careful when you invite me out to eat. It's costly. I love it. Oh my god.
Oh, and
It's not too much sweet, which I love. There is a little bird right there that I'm looking. Sorry. Super small, super cute. Anyways, it's very refreshing, and it's kind of thin, so it's not very thick. It goes down very good. And then you have all the toppings. So if you mix all these together, it's just like an explosion of flavors. Really good. Like even without the toppings, if you taste this beautiful color pink smoothie, it's really good.
Look at your face.
Don't capture my moments.
You ate so much of.
intimate moments with food.
Oh man, look! You should look at her face, man. Oh man, she ate like so much, and she still can eat and look at food like that. I had acai bowl in Bali, and it was quite heavy. That used to be my one meal. So we have bananas. I want to eat that almond thing. Whatever you mentioned. Oh, it's here. Yeah. What is this? I feel weird right now. I feel like this lust for food, shooting up. God bless me. This is cheating. I don't even know what to say. I can feel like the smoothie part of the pulp of the berry, chocolate flavored peanut butter, maybe something else butter, but I feel the banana and the fruit. If you're coming to Rishikesh, you have to come down to Tulsi Cafe and order this acai bowl. I can't have expressions like her, but yeah, it's really good. Oh my god, this is like the perfect ending of the afternoon, not the day. I think I'm not having dinner for sure. So I think like this, I'm going to ask Nishka to record, and I'm going to eat all.
Leaving the camera in 3, 2.
Oh my god, how was the food? Describe in 3 words.
Flavorful, healthy, fulfilling. What was your favorite part of the meal?
I think the acai bowl, because again I think I love fruits and I enjoy fruits more than cooked food. Yes, the food was tasty, but there's something about the acai bowl. I think we ate so much of food, but I think I just felt like very calm inside after eating so much of smoothie bowl, like that acai bowl. I think that was really interesting. Would you come down here again?
Obviously,
With or without me?
I'm
With or without me?
planning on coming immediately tomorrow morning for breakfast. Acai bowl.
Oh man.
You have to come.
You'll see a fat Nishka very soon.
You will be seeing after 1 month me
Yeah.
making a video like this. No, I'm kidding. I have to fast tomorrow actually. So overall we had coconut smoothie, tofu,
Then
I
we
had
had
2 roti,
Mix pakoda.
and mashed potato with mushroom
Shit.
sauce.
What all did we eat?
The aloo was like half kg.
Oh, and we are done with the food eating competition by now. We ate a lot. And Tulsi Cafe, we had like such a good time. So let's rate the food. How much would you rate the food?
The food I would give it a 9. How
Okay.
about you?
9, yeah. 9.5.
9.5.
Yeah, 9.5. And about cleanliness?
I would say 8.
Yeah, 8 and 9 because it's quite clean and people are not around. So thanks to COVID in a weird way. Not thanks as well, whatever. How much would you rate the location?
Location is 10. Like you are in a very peaceful place surrounded by mountains.
The staff?
Very nice people. You feel like at home.
So next time you're in Rishikesh, do come down to Tulsi Cafe. So I think we are wrapping up this video. The camera is still focusing on her, by the way. Hello. See, oh shit, see the camera is like focusing on her. Why? It doesn't like me, man. My own camera doesn't like me now. Seriously. If next time you come down to Rishikesh, be sure that you come down to Tulsi Cafe. Come down with like a lot of hungry stomach because you're gonna eat a lot. Thank you for watching this video. I don't know how to end it. Do you know how to end this video?
If you got up to this point by watching this video, thank you.
Wishing you a very good night or a good morning, depending when you're seeing it. Have a good day. Take care.
I don't know why the water is really good. I don't know if it's my imagination or what. No, seriously. Because, drinking doesn't seem like tap water that
Yeah, it's
bad
because
water.
maybe it's like from the mountains. With good minerals and taste in it. Yeah.
Maybe.